distinguished dealers, and our respected partners and honorable guests, it is our privilege to welcome you for tonight's official launching of OSRAM Mini Driving Live.
Yes, thank you everyone for coming here tonight. And finally, after 2 years of testing the new products that we have. Actually, it was started, we developed this product 2023. And then until now, we are testing and then finally, it's launching to the, of course, to the success of customer for the T90, T91, the HS1. Thank you very much.
Hello, good evening everyone. I just want to say a few words. Thank you very much for coming to tonight's product launch. Your presence means a lot to us. We appreciate the support you've given to OSRAM all these years, and we hope you enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming.
So sa product natin, sa box na kasama natin lahat. So yung mga bracket na, even tools, yung Allen wrench na kailangan natin, kasama na siya natin. So yung pag-pumili sa ibang brand, inaabot ng 1 or 2 hours na yung installation, lalo na pag wala siyang manual. So we provide the manual. So mainly, less than 30 minutes you can install. So saving din sa mga shop natin.